Hey, what's up app Morpheus? Welcome back to the community, and in this video let's talk about our app Mizu right here. This is the app right now. Let's try to walk through the app again. We have Hitesh. Okay, your name? My name is Hitesh and the weight is 72. Again, 172 is my height. 172. That be done. 5 to 6 days of workout. That's done. It's calculating your water intake, 3.7 liters of water intake, and done. We get ourselves a simple glacier with 3700 ml of water. Good afternoon, Hitesh, and again good afternoon. It's simple as that. It actually takes your time right now inside of your phone and calculates a greeting accordingly and shows you good afternoon, Hitesh, then good afternoon again. So that's how it's doing that. Let's try to add water. First of all, 500 ml of water. Done. Amazing. Let's look at streaks. I've introduced you streaks previously. Streaks are basically perks, which mean, for example, if it's your first day and you've recorded your water to 100%, yeah, you have one streak, you have one perk. I'll try to showcase it to you guys soon, but yeah, I need to constantly add water. First of all, I'll do that. But let's look at calendar screen right now. Of course, there's certain bugs in calendar screen, and I need to make sure that these things are working as of now. Also, everything is working, which means that the profile screen is also coming along. I know it's not that great looking, but yeah, it's something. Also, when you try to change this stuff, it will automatically be feeded into your database. That's what I'm thinking right now, and that's what I'll try to do. So the goals we have today is, of course, integrate crash analytics and also fix these bugs inside of calendar screen. Until then, I'll see you after a while. So I was able to add Firebase Crash Analytics into my app, and everything is working. I hope that it is. And if any crashes happen, I will be able to track where it is happening. So I kind of removed 2 to 3 things, added a little bit of, a new thing into the UI, and I was able to deal with it. Okay. And I have some new plans that I want to show you about this particular app in the future. As of now, I want to release this particular app as quickly as possible, and I would say this would be an SLC, not an MVP, but SLC. SLC stands for simple, lovable, and complete. Now, 2 to 3 iterations that I'm thinking about is, first of all, I had one comment on my YouTube channel that I need to add water sound here. So one more thing that I wanted to add was calendar notification app. I've been using this app, my own app, and my own device, and I've realized that it does not remind me of anything until unless I've open up the app. So that's just a super bad thing, and fix some of the bugs that are related to water. So I need to fix some mathematics, and that's going behind the scenes. And as of now, I was able to add the UI. The UI has completely changed for this calendar screen right here. If we click on this track button, as you can see, I was able to fix the monthly report. So it will say this one streak on, I was able to track it. So 1 June, and we have this streak right here. The stats, I have this average intake, best streak, height, weight. I don't want average intake here. I would change that. Best streak is something that I can add. Weight and height, of course, I'm taking this average intake. Also, I removed this profile button and that notification button. This is something that I'll add afterwards. I'm thinking right now of the main functionality of this app and making it functional so that I can get to the users. Okay, so what are my plans right now? Let me first of all show you the crash analytics, the Firebase Crash Analytics. I was able to spot some crashes in my app. As you can see, I have spotted some of the crashes right here. As you can see, if I click on these, I can get the stacked stack trace I want to and go to that particular feature. Some kind of home screen invoke streak sheet caused this problem. It's great. I can now track some problems that I'm facing, and this is the crash analytics. So I was able to actually integrate a lot of new my tracking screen, the second screen that I have in the bottom bar, and these are some new things that I wanted to integrate, and I was able to integrate them. As you can see, this is something new right here. If you press on the mood, different moods, it's not storing these values as of yet, but I'm trying to make this possible with the database. It's not particularly database because I'm using proto data store. It's not like room, right? It's totally different. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how this is working right now. I'll be trying this app out for my own personal self, just try out throughout this week, and let's see where it goes. For now, this is it. Hopefully you enjoyed this thing, and I'll catch you next time. For now, bye bye.